Hey, it's Tieesha, and I'm here reviewing the GainFit Posture Corrector. I got this item because my posture has been a little off due to carrying heavy things, and also my spine is curved due to my left side being my load-bearing side, so I'm kind of over there, and also, yeah, that's just it. So I see a chiropractor to get my spine aligned. Sometimes my shoulders are at different heights. So this GainFit Posture has helped me correct my posture. I wear this from the time I wake up until the time I get back home, shower. That's when I take it off. But overnight, I'm not wearing it. And sometimes, too, we can sleep in awkward positions that gets our spine kind of off. That's beautiful that made me pick out this item from Amazon is that it is FDA approved. Because your spine, that's what holds your life together, okay? And once your spine goes, it's over. So I like this because my posture sometimes is not right due to some of the chairs. Some of the chairs at work or just out that I use are not ergonomically correct. Therefore, it encourages slouching and being humpbacked and hunched over. So I noticed that when I act like I have a string that's going up from my head and I'm pulling myself straight up, this is the posture that I need to have so that I'm not losing inches by slouching. If your posture is not right, it messes everything up from your feet to your hips to your knees to your shoulders, and it just makes you have a bad day. So I wanted to invest in something that would help me fix my posture. I'm going to read through the steps on how to use this. Step 1, straighten your back and put your posture corrector on. We recommend wearing it over light clothes. Tighten straps accordingly. Do not pull straps too tight as it may worsen blood circulation. It should sit comfortably so that you feel a moderate tension in your shoulders. Enjoy your new posture. Wear the posture corrector for 20 minutes every day for the first week. After week 1, begin increasing it by 10 minutes per day until you start feeling noticeable improvements. As a result, your body will develop muscle memory and you will adopt a habit of always keeping your posture straight. Note, you may experience some discomfort in the first week wearing it as your posture is correcting. Take it off as it begins to cause any muscle or back pain and let your muscles relax. It's not uncomfortable. As you can see, I'll probably, if I was to wear this with this outfit, I'll put on a sweater over it, and you wouldn't even notice that I had it on, and you don't even see it. So I absolutely love this posture corrector. I highly recommend it for those who have a poor posture or who have slight things going on with their spine. Always, of course, seek out your doctor's advice first or your chiropractor. Is that I also do yoga and I also do a lot of back strengthening workouts at the gym so that I can make sure that my posture is and my muscles in my back are strengthened so that they encourage that, you know, I maintain this posture. Again, I highly recommend this posture corrector by GainFit. I will leave a link for it in the description. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and I will see you on the next product review. Thank you for watching.